Good morning, my name is Alban. I am going to talk about is designing for digital audio. Definition. The first stage digital system is when control function, specifically many remote volume control and selection are implemented digitally from a remote user control station.
Designed to install easily, so you can repeat the process quickly from house to house. The job begins in the roughing phase. This is a 28-inch on-cue enclosure. We're following the CEA 2030 wiring standard of pulling 16-4 speaker wire and category 5 wire. To complete my roughing installation, this is where my keypad power wire, speaker wires, keypad data wire, and local source connection go. Here's my Cat5 for my global source input. It runs back to the source on the AU7000. Now it's time to finish the installation in the rooms. I'm going to connect speaker wire and power to my keypad. I'm also going to connect my connection to the AU7000 and my local source connection, and now I'm going to put it in the wall and finish it off. Now I'm going to install a local source input. I take my Cat5, connect it to the back. This of course is connected to my keypad and now installed in the wall. If I was doing a global source input, I would do the same type thing. I've installed the AU7000, connected my sources, the digital source input, the global source input, connected a single zone, connected my Ethernet, and my power distribution. First, you will need to connect your tablet to your home's network and download the Legrand Digital Audio app. Launch the app. The first thing the app is going to show once it's connected is find the unconfigured source. Next, go to Settings, select Digital Source, then Bind Digital Source. Press the Bind button on the AU7001. The digital source is now bound. Here we will name a global source input. Go to Sources, Analog, and since it's connected to my TV, let's name it TV. It's really that simple. The on-cue digital audio system really is the perfect solution for new construction. It's quick and repeatable. Now,
Methods. A digital signal processor DSP. This processes archive the required complex audio signal. The dominant digital mode with net to born from telephone technology. Application telecommunication. DER 9001 is a digital audio interface receiver that can read 28 kHz to 108 kHz sending frequency 24-bit data word. PCM 3070 is a flexible stereo audio codec with programmed input and output, fully programmed mini DSP, fixed benefit, and flexible digital interface. Pros and cons. Pros: convenience, consistent. No cons: noise, digital attenuation.
Okay, so here we're looking at the Linear Encore distributed audio system. This system here can be expanded up to 32 zones by simply adding a distribution module and then up to 32 keypads throughout your house. This will distribute 4 sources. That could be an iPod, it could be a CD player, cable box, satellite tuner, internet radio, depending on whatever you want to plug in as a source. Then each room you can also add this here, which is a local source input. Normally this would not be next to the keypad and always down near the floor or behind your AV gear, somewhere where you don't have to actually look at it, where you just plug in your sources. Right here in our showroom, we've got them side by side to show here. Okay, so if we look at the keypad, this has got a digital amplifier built in. This unit here has it's 30 watts per channel or 60 watts per keypad. Now the wiring you need to come into this is a Cat5, and you need a 16-2 speaker wire. That 16-2 speaker wire is actually used for power. The Cat5 was what sends the control and audio signals to the keypad. So if we're looking at the use of this piece here, we've got the volume control, which is your simple volume up. And you get the volume down. You've got your mute button right there. You can mute any keypad. You get your source selection to go through 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the light changing there on our local source. Now we're back on source 1. Each keypad has an equalizer selection. The first piece here is your bass. You can select your bass up and down. Hit your source button, and it goes down to treble. You can select your entire equalizer selections, however you want to customize it for yourself, and each room can be set up individually. And then to just power down the system, you just will hit the power button, turn it on, hit the power button, it automatically comes on in the last source. And that's the basic overview of the Linear Encore system. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Okay, here we're going to take a look at the audio input wall plate for the Linear Encore audio system. The neat thing about this compared to other distributed audio systems on the market is that this will accept optical, digital audio, and coaxial audio. These are the two digital audio inputs, and you have your analog audio inputs right here. Now, what the system does is, even if you plug in an analog audio input to the analog inputs there, it's going to convert that audio to digital, and it actually submits a digital audio feed only to the keypad. So these keypads are only receiving a digital audio feed. So if you have a CD player, a DVD, or whatever, it's going to output a digital signal. Now it's all digital all the way to the keypad, which ensures a best overall quality of audio. And it's one of the only systems on the market that will transmit digital audio signals from the source device directly.
Conclusion. A digital audio processor for PCs consists of only a few components, a memory and host interface code to simple rate converter, field envelope generation, and mixing and programming DSP. Thank you for your attention.